Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for ear. E for ear. F for fan. F for fan. Oh no, why Z? Do you got the alphabet Z? I got it. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z for jungle. Z for jungle. K for kite. K for kite. L for leopard. L for leopard. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for nest. N for nest. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Hooray! We have completed the alphabets.